So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to report post on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the homepage of your Instagram account, and now you should have to scroll down below and see, this is the post which I want to report. So you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the right side of the screen. Now tap on report. Then you should have to choose option why you want to report this post. So I'm tapping I just don't like it, which is the first option. Now tap on done, either you want to report or not. So I'm tapping on done. Now see, that post has been successfully reported on the Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.